Room 230. I am here today to teach you how to use IXL to do your learning practice every day. If you remember, yesterday I sent out an email to your parents, and in it included a plan for you to do every day, Monday through Friday, regular school days, while you're at home, because while we can't be at school, we're going to be doing Room 230 at home. So you have this information in your parents' email box about how to log on to various websites. And the one I want to talk about today is IXL. IXL probably is new to you. I don't think you've used it before, but it's a great website, and you can do math, reading, social studies, and science on it. And it's a great way to practice your skills so you don't forget the things you learned in second grade. We don't want you going into third grade not remembering how to do second grade stuff, right? Right. So I'm going to show you how to log on to IXL, and I'm going to show you what I want you to do while you're on IXL. So let's get started. Okay, here is the piece of paper that I emailed to your families, and I highlighted in yellow, oops, my finger got in the way, I highlighted in yellow what we're going to talk about today. IXL is the name of a website, and you want to go to this website, ixl.com/sign-in, and then you'll have your username and your password. Room 230 is the password for everybody right here. And so let me show you what that website looks like. So here is IXL on the computer. And up here at the top, you can type in your information. I'm going to pretend Matthew is a second grade student. I signed him up pretending he's a second grader just so I can show you guys how this works. So you put your username here, you put your password here, and then you hit sign in. Then it takes you to this page, and it asks you what you want to do. And you're looking at this and you're probably thinking, I don't know what I want to do because I don't know what these different levels mean. So then if you look a little more closely down here where my cursor is, here I'll point to it. It says IXL Real-Time Diagnostic. I'm not going to bother explaining what those words mean. What that basically is that it is a test for you. Don't worry, it's not hard to figure out what your just right level is. So you click on that, and it takes you to this screen that says start diagnosing to reveal your levels. But you first have to click on this green bar, step into the arena. So click on that, and then it gives you an option of two questions. Which question do we want to answer? Do you want to answer this one, complete the multiplication sentence that describes the model, or do you want to answer this one, subtract 64 minus 7. I think I'm going to try this one, 64 minus 7. So I click on it, and see this speaker here? Anytime you need them to read to you what it says, you can click on that.
Subtract.
Oh, lovely. All right. Oh, now I have to figure this out. What is 64 minus 7? I think I will count backwards using my fingers. So I'm going to put 64 in my head, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57. Okay, I think it's 57. So now I'm going to type in 57 and hit submit. Oh, look, I got it right. Yay. Oh, now it's going to give me another one. Oh, this looks a little bit hard. I don't recognize what to do when it's like this. Now, if you're looking at this and saying, Miss Dietz, I totally know how to do that. Good for you. You do it and do your best. And if you're looking at this and you're saying, I don't know how to do that. I've never seen that before. Don't worry. There's this little button over here that says, I don't know this yet. And that just means my teacher has not taught this to me yet, and I don't know it yet. So that's okay. Just click on it. I don't know this yet. Okay, we'll make sure to work on that later. Great. So now they're giving me a new one. Cut the rectangle into fourths connect two dots to make a cut. Now, we haven't learned about fourths really. We've been talking about halves. But some of you might be thinking, I think I kind of know what that means. So you might try it. And some of you might be thinking, I don't know this yet. So you can click I don't know this yet, or you could try it. I'm seeing that the word four is inside fourths, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to cut this into 4 parts. Let's see. I think I want to make a cut this way. So I'm going to go here. Oh, look at that. To there. And then let's see. So now I have 2. So I see. I can go across. Here to here. Did I make 4 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. I made 4 parts. I think that that's what they're asking me to do. Cut the rectangle into fourths. Let's see if I get it right. Yay, I got it. All right, moving on. Okay, now it looks like they're switching over to reading. Select the, I don't know this word. Something, ant. I'm not sure I know what this word is. Of the word in bold. The stream is too wide to cross here. It gets narrow just around the bend. I don't understand what they want me to do here because I don't know what this word here means. So I must not have learned this yet. I don't think we've done this yet. So I'm going to click I don't know this yet. Okay, we'll make sure to work on it later. Put the words in order. Whisper, talk, shout. Quiet, loud. Oh, I see. So I put the quietest ones here and the loudest one here. Well, shout is definitely the loudest one. So I drag that down, and whisper is the quietest. That makes me think of when we walk in the halls at Graham Hill. And then talk. Okay, I think I got that right. Submit. Nice. Okay, so let's say that you have to get off the computer and you're not done yet. That's okay. If they keep giving you questions, you can just close it down. Oh, look, there's our YouTube site. And then later in the day or the next day you want to get back on it, you can go to IXL. Let's see. I'll just do that. Go to sign in. And it remembered me. And there it is. And I sign in. And it takes me back to this first page. Remember this when we thought, we don't know what to do here? Oh, that's right. We click on IXL, Real-Time Diagnostic. Go back to that because we haven't finished that yet. And then click on the green bar that says Step into the Arena, and it takes you right back to where you left off. And then you can keep going. Once you answer all of these questions that they give you, and if it takes more than a day or two, that's fine, then they will know, IXL knows what level you're on, and then they will automatically give you questions that are just right for you. Pretty cool how it can do that, isn't it? Let me show you, let's see, some other things. So let's see this bar here. It says Learning, Diagnostic, and Analytics. These are all very fancy words, aren't they? Let's click on Learning. So up here at the top, it shows you the different things that you can do. You can go to math. You can go to what they call language arts, which is what we call reading. And look here, they have science and then social studies. So we'll talk more about the science and social studies sections later. What I want you really focusing on is doing this tab up here, Diagnostic, and where it tells you to step into the arena. It's like you're going into this, kind of like when the Olympics happen and they have races at the inside of an arena. That's what they're talking about. And you're going in there and you're going to figure out what your level is. And then once you figure out your level, then you can start doing math and reading. So let's go back to that document that I sent your parents. Here's how to log into IXL, and I just showed you how to do that and how to do the diagnostic test. But what are you supposed to do with it? Well, every day I want you doing reading and math. And I've highlighted in yellow what I want you to be doing. If there's a reading video on the YouTube playlist that you haven't seen yet, you can watch the YouTube playlist for reading. I want you reading for 30 minutes a day using a book you have at home or Raz-Kids. And then here in yellow, it says practice reading skills on IXL for 20 to 30 minutes a day. So you're going to use IXL for reading and you're going to use IXL for math. Watch the math videos on Room 230 YouTube. Practice math skills for 20 to 30 minutes on IXL. And then you can also play the math games that I'm teaching you on YouTube, or you can play math games on Prodigy. But this is what you do once you get your IXL done. I really want you working on IXL every day. Some of you might be saying, but Ms. Dietz, I don't have a computer at home. I use a smartphone instead. And that's fine because IXL is on a smartphone. And you just need your parent to download the app and then just use your regular login info. So if you need to use your phone, that's fine. And have your parents download the app and enter your login information that I gave you. The only difference is they don't give you the diagnostic test on the phone. So I will send, I'm going to be calling all of the parents and talking with them about what you're doing on IXL, and I will make recommendations about what level you should start with when you get on using your phone. Okay, I hope that helps you. I hope that you're able to log into IXL today. By the way, shout out to Javon because he did 100 questions on IXL yesterday. Can you believe that? 100 questions. I'm wondering who's going to beat Javon's record. That is a lot of questions. So congratulations to you, Javon. I'm proud of you. And I hope to see everyone else getting on IXL as well and testing out what they know using that website. All right, until tomorrow, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.